Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be doing a little video, probably 20-30 minute long, but I might cut it up so it'll be shorter, but I'm just going to make a track from these samples right here. All these samples are from Splice, just kind of randomly threw it into this folder, so we'll see how things get going. This is my template that I normally use, but since I'm just dragging in samples and just kind of throwing everything in, it's just going to be mainly just non-organized, just making music, man. So start with a kick. I like this kick, but it's a little too punchy, so let's take some of the highs out, and I usually cut off between like 15 to 20 hertz on the kicks just because it's usually pretty muddy. So we like this kick. Take that out to 3, maybe a little percussion real quick. Do like a I need like a hat. So loud, but we'll fix it. So we will go work mode, beats, transient, down. And what that does, it just kind of reduces the transient so it's not as in your face. We got the loop. So we got the claps going. Okay, cool. What else do we got in here? Ooh, bongo. Nice. Maybe even throw a little delay on it. Call me crazy, but it sometimes sounds good. Let's just glue everything in with a good old hat loop, but just like the hi-hats, we will turn down the transients, like so, and then just turn the volume down a little bit. So I threw in some effects and some vocals and stuff into this pack, so let's check it out. Alright, cool, that sounds dope. Let's just sidechain it. And then just kind of low cut and high cut that, just make it even a little more like a nice, just like a cool little ting. Alright, that's cool. Sidechain that. Let's do this vocal. this out. I don't like that vocal, or the second half of the vocal, but I do like this. So let's mess with the kick now. Bring that up a bit. Alright, we vibing. Kind of works. Since C, songs in F minor, I don't know if they go together, but in this particular instance, they do. Now let's add in some serum. I'm trying to think what sound would work. Dope, that sounds cool. Let's quantize that. Quantize these, go like these, extend it just a little bit. I'll take it, it sounds alright. So, we got that. Let's do maybe a lead. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we just found our drop sound. Alright, so everything is within 8 bars, but we stacked it on here, so we can just extend it to infinity and beyond. Obviously, no master. This is unactivated. Taking more stuff out for the breakdown. Obviously we don't need these hats. Most of these claps. And then if I had like a white noise effects, it'd be like shh, get a snare roll. Cool. So obviously still bare bones, but that's like the structure of the song. So now I'm just gonna dissect a little bit more, take kind of some more ambient elements out of the drop, so it kind of sounds a little more dirty. I don't think this needs to be in there anymore. This does not either. take the vocals out for now. Maybe I'll do like some cool chopping thing, but I don't know yet. That does not need to be in there. Then this. Alright. I don't know if I love it yet, but it doesn't sound bad. Alright, let's do boop boop boop. And I could do it from Serum, but it's just so much easier doing it with Kickstart. LFO tool is great, but and then we go like these, we go like these, we go like these, we go like these, and then we go like these. Okay. And then this sound needs to change to, maybe let's do a random motherfucking sound, pluck. Some volume automation. You and I. Almost like this, like as the drop. Vibes. Obviously, no mastering. It was a 30-minute track, but all the samples that I used, plus the presets, I'll have in a pack that you can download. But all these samples that I used for this project are going to be in this folder, along with the presets that I used in the serum patches. I didn't do too much mixing, obviously, or you know, EQing stock Ableton things. It was pretty kind of bare bones, but I just want to make the video, see how it looks, and see if you guys like it. If you like it, like and share. Again, the download for this, for the project, and the samples and the presets are all going to be packaged together in the description. So go ahead and check it out, and check out our other videos too. We got some cool project downloads, and while you're at it, check out our music. We got so much music, so much more music coming as well. So stay tuned. If you liked it, let us know. Thanks again. Peace.